We got a flips white fudge.
Our next thing we taste, we have a Jolly Rancher.
For Ranger.
Rancher ka whatever.
What's up, SB Squad? We're back with another video with your boy Georgie,
girl Victoria,
and you catch Mia,
and we're reviewing American candy. So we received this about 2 weeks ago, almost, and it's from Lena Brown. So shout out to you, Lena Brown. Thank you so much. You watched our American candy video and thought, girl, that ain't American candy, let me send you some real American candy. Yeah. Which she went ahead and did. I can see that this box is from Walmart. And I do apologize. I've actually opened most of this and eaten like so very sorry about that. That was just very delicious. But over to Schmear.
Yeah. Over to Schmear, you're introduced.
We get here some hot tomatoes. You gonna taste it?
Yep.
We got one by one.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat the rest because I love these. I love the cinnamon flavor. Did you get one?
Yeah.
Yeah, Schmear doesn't like it.
Today
you won't like it, babe. Give me your spare one. After.
We taste the hot tamales.
Tamales.
Yeah, tamales.
It's cinnamon, fierce cinnamon. It's like spicy cinnamon. It's so yummy. So something for me later. What do you rate this?
It's nice and spicy, girl.
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Out of me. Lucas.
Our next thing we taste, we have a Jolly Rancher.
For Ranger.
Rancher ka whatever.
Next one, we're having a Jolly Rancher. Jolly Rancher. Yeah, this is your Jolly Rancher. No, I pick it.
No, I'll pick my own, thank you.
This is mine.
I don't want this one. I want a green one. It smells so fruity.
So this one is like a jelly.
Really
it's like a jelly, yeah. So I got purple one.
Like
she
a gummy bear.
I got red.
Yeah. And we try it now. Oh.
I give this a 7.
I give it 5. You?
I give 10.
How do you like it? It's my turn. Oh my god, these are amazing. I love these so much. So, y'all get one each. Just take one. Seriously, it's not that hard. Stop. Can you wait?
What's this called? Just show.
Haribo Peaches. Haribo Peaches.
Haribo Peaches.
So yummy. As you can see, the pack's almost gone. 10 out of 10. How many?
10.
7.
Oh, whatever. Back to Mia.
Our next, we got here some Crunch chocolates.
Open.
So I'm pretty sure Crunch is owned by Nestle, I thought. And Nestle, I thought was an Australian brand. Hershey's also make Nestle products because they have a Nestle license under a different company. Okay, no one listens to me, but anyways.
So we try the Crunch.
So it's got these little rice
You can
bubbles.
see it, guys. Crunch.
They're like little rice bubble things inside. Can you see? Can you see?
Yeah. Oh, yummy.
Oh, we just got to them.
So delicious.
This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. It's crunchy. Chocolate is so crunchy. I give it 10.
I give it a 6.
I give it 10.
My turn.
I 10.
Oh yeah, those are so nice.
I got this packet, but I don't know, so I eat it before. Someone eat it before. I'm pretty sure it's this. We got a Flips white
fudge.
We got a Flips, as you see to the packet. It's a Flips white fudge cover pretzel. So yeah, that's a good one. But this guy eat it before, so you're not gonna taste it once.
Look guys, it's a white chocolate coated pretzel.
Look at it. Looks like a.
And it's still got the salt on there.
Looks like a Wingos.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, that's yummy. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna try is a Reese's stick. It's a king size Reese's stick. It's got 4 in there. It's a milk chocolate peanut butter and crispy wafers.
Wafers.
Ooh. It just looks like a timeout bar, but I guess with peanut in it. Nia? Aussie? Wait, don't eat it yet.
So nice. It's so like nice. A timber.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Ching, ching, ching.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Peanut butter's inside.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
A big shout out again to Lena who sent this stuff to do the challenge. So shout out to you, girl.
My turn, and I got my favorite.
M&M. That was a peanut flavor, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, love peanut.
Pina coladas.
Pina colada. Oh, so.
Hey, no, give back my M&M.
Put on here. Put in here.
It's got peanuts, peanut butter.
I'll give this 7.
I give this 10 because it's my flavor.
I give this a 6. I don't really like M&M's.
Yeah, so sister.
Sorry for a little prank. So we trying to have some water because it's too sweet. Everything's sweet.
This ain't water, boy.
My turn. We got a special gift from here, Mr. Cool Park.
Do you need some help?
No, we need some help. Am I at this airport? That's why you asked for help? No. Mr. Cool Park.
It's made from Hershey's, I think. Yep. Okay, guys. So we all got ours. Go.
Cùng mời các bạn ngồi lên đi pha như thế nào? Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice as well. 10 out of 10.
I'm not such a big fan of Hershey's chocolate, so I'm gonna just give it a 7. I prefer Cadbury. Mia?
I could just give it a 9.
Okay, I'm gonna try the Nestle Raisin Nuts. Made with real fruit.
Raisinets. Raisinets. Got a...
Yeah, so we ran out of memory.
Yeah.
So we're still tasting the Raisin Nuts. 3, 2, 1, everyone. Just chocolate coated raisins.
I'll give 4 out of 10.
I'll give 5.
I give a 3.
Yeah. Hershey Kisses.
We got here Hershey Kisses.
So you can get these from Costco here in Canberra.
Yeah, that's good. Pretty good.
But they've got almonds in it. Almond nuts.
Looks yummy.
I'm feeling sick after all this.
Mm.
What do you rate it, Neil?
10.
I rate it a 7. What about yours?
I rate it 9. 9 out of 10. And the lucky last, I got Hershey cookies and cream drops. Hershey cookie and cream drops. Oh, look guys, it looks white and looks like a ula kifa inside more. Yeah, ula po. Look guys. Yep.
Hả? Đúng mà yêu mà.
Thì anh con ai không biết.
You know what con nói yêu nhau. It actually says Hershey's on there. How cute.
It's so nice. I give this one 10 out of 10.
It's just like the Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate, but they're drops.
10. I give a 10.
10.
Yeah, 10. This is all American candy. We tried it tonight. So thank you to
Lena.
Oh, we need some photo shoot.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so we completely forgot about the thumbnail. Most of these are already open. Well, they were already open at the beginning of the video anyway. But we just want to thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for comments, more comments, and thank you for supporting guys. We appreciate you guys for supporting us, and thank you so much. We love you guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Shout out again to Lena Brown, who sent this American candies for us to do the challenge. So thank you so much. Appreciate your love, and we do this because we love you guys.
Make sure you subscribe, likes, and comments.
Yeah, we love you guys so much.